I am Miss Lee and I am here with Moby. And before we start any of our YouTube channel videos, I want you to watch this one first because there's going to be a lot of vocabulary words that you're going to be hearing throughout the channel that I want you to be aware of so you know what I'm talking about. So before you listen to any other video, let's watch this one first. First, we're going to talk about short vowels. We already know all our vowels, right? They are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Now, when you are looking at these letters, the way that you're going to be able to distinguish if I am asking you if it's a short or a long vowel is because of a little symbol that we're going to have on top. So if you see a letter, more specifically a vowel that has this little symbol on top of it, it lets you know that the vowel is short. This symbol right here is called a breve. So the breve lets you know the vowels are short. Let's practice our short vowel sounds just to refresh our memory. Short A says A. Short A says A. Short E says E. Short E says E. Short I says I. Short I says I. You have to tighten those muscles right here. I. Short O says aw. Short O says aw. And short U says Short U says Those are your short vowels. Now, I'm going to erase the breve. And we're going to learn the long vowel sounds and what symbol represents the long vowel. When you see your vowels and you see a straight line on top of it, this is called a macron. The macron lets you know that the vowel is long. So let's see, what sounds do the long vowels make? Long A says, good job, it says A. Long E says E. Long I says I. Long O says O. And long U says U. Your long vowels say their name. Remember, short vowels are represented by a breve, and your long vowels are represented by a macron. Another vocabulary word that you're going to hear me say a lot throughout these videos is the word phoneme. Can you say that with me? Say phoneme. Phoneme. A phoneme is the individual sound the letter makes. So, for example, if I ask you to tell me the phonemes in the word cat, I'm actually asking you to tell me each sound you hear in the word cat. So let's try that out. Hi, boys and girls. Can you tell me the phonemes in the word cat? K, A, T. 3 phonemes. Okay, so remember, phonemes are sounds, kind of like phone. You listen to a phone, you listen to the sound. I'm also going to be using the word grapheme. Say grapheme. Say grapheme. So grapheme is the written representation of the phoneme. In other words, grapheme is the letter. So if I tell you, can you tell me the graphemes in the word cat? I'm actually asking you to tell me the letters in the word cat. So let's try it out. Can you tell me the graphemes in the word cat? C, A, T. How about the phonemes in the word cat? K, A, T, cat. Good job. So those are a few of the vocabulary words that we are going to be using in the beginning of some of these videos. And as we progress and learn some more, I'm going to be doing these kind of videos to teach you the vocabulary words that you are going to encounter. That way you could better understand the lesson. So I hope you remember your short vowels have the, ooh, I forgot, I erased it. The short vowel has a breve. The long vowel has a macron. Phoneme is the sound, and grapheme is the written representation of the letter. So, I'll see you soon for our next video. Gracias! Thank you for coming. Hasta luego.